So guys, let's start our trading session. All the currency pairs have already been picked out. Today we have OTC currency pairs. You can see that we got almost $2,000 of the balance. I'm gonna make $3,000 of this and withdraw. Let it be 2,000 and keep the rest for the future trading. Today I'm going to open $250 positions, and what concern the strategy for today's trading, it's going to be on my favorite, the Kellner channel in combination with the stochastic. What we should configure the stochastic first. Set the period 5, the overbought zone will be 70 and the oversold zone will be 30. These settings work well for me and I recommend you guys to try them as well. They will try to focus on the stochastic behavior and also take into consideration the Kellner channel, and I think we are gonna succeed as usual. Let's get started, guys. We have to find the currency pair and let's do this. In order to find the best trade entry, let's analyze the market a little bit. Well, I'm okay with the market situation. I see the potential signals for the future trade entries. Let's open a long position here. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. I will put the workspace. We see that the potential reversal takes place and our support zone is really strong here, and previously the price went up in all the cases. Now we see a little flat here, and the candles have these long shadows, and I think the price is very likely to go up, and also the stochastic strives to break out and crossing the market 30 should happen at any second. As we can see, the breakout is happening right now. The price movement enters the inner channel here, so we could expect that, and I'm sure that the breakout is going to be completed in the end, and our position will be in profits, guys. Yeah, and not our first position and up with the profit. Like you see, the pullback did happen. The support zone played out perfectly, and we're in profits. So let's pick out the next currency pair for the better trade entry. So we could open here. I'm sure the prices go to the upside, and let's do that. We open our long position. I will explain the principle of trade entry. There, 40 seconds left before the closing of the candle. I'm fine with the timing. We don't pay much attention to the stochastic now. However, let's consider the stochastic either. Let's point to this level, the level around 50. I guess the price got rejected all the time out of this level, and the stochastic seems to be reversing here. The upward trend prevails, and we see the dynamics of the price movement. We have these corrections that broke through the inner channel. Next, we should point out this level. The price pumped up and then a little pullback took place. The price entered the inner channel. The support zone played out this level. So that's why we opened the long position. And our position is in profits again, guys. So this 1 minute time frame, look at this perfect timing of our trade entry, guys. Now the stochastic is going down for the further correction, but we open it correctly. I had annotated that this very 40 seconds left before the candle's closing, and I had decided that the trade entry will be in the most profitable, and so on. That's exactly what happened, and let's change the currency pair for the better trade entry. Well, I don't see anything so far. However, we can also open a long here, and let's open on this one. We see this huge correction to the downside. Let's point out the workspace. This has broken the level 30 and the price should move upwards because the uptrend prevails now and the updating of the local low is happening and the price should go up. I remind you that this OTC and we shouldn't pay attention to the stochastic all the time. Moreover, we should play ahead of the market, and OTC is really good for this. We see a very strong correction to the downside of this resistance zone, and now the price should move to the upside and the position will be closed in profits, guys. The support zone is playing out right now. We also see the reversal of the stochastic, and there are literally 5 seconds left before the closing of our position, and we're going to be in profits. I like the movement of the candle. We see a long shadow, and this one also ends up in profits, guys. Everything is so simple, and we're in profits, right, on the same currency pair. If I'm not mistaken, with the nice buy trade, of course. And let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. And let's check out what do we have at the beginning. I think we can open a long position here. I will explain the principle of trade entry. We focus on the stochastic here. So nice trade entry. We see the upward trend on the chart. We also understand these smooth price movements at this zone, and the movement is also repeated here but with a smaller amplitude. Here we point on this upward zone. The price broke out of the inner channel here, and after this the price held out on the level for a moment, and now the price should go to the upside, I guess. Next we see the stochastic is gonna cross the level 30. Actually, it already touches it, and we see the breakout. There are 0 seconds left before the closing, and this one is also in profits, guys. Good job, guys, good job. We almost made it up to $3,000, so we read the market. Braille and technical analysis, nice trade entry on my minute time frame. That's all we need, guys. Easy. We're analyzing the situation perfectly. Our analysis is based on the stochastic, the key alternate channel. Basically, our positions are closed in profits all the time. And let's change the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry.
Friends, I hasten to inform you that you can find all private information in my Telegram group. You will find the link in the description under this video. Free access is valid for limited time, so follow the link faster and register. Don't forget join my Telegram group with free signal. When topping up your account, use my promo code and you will receive an additional 50% bonus to your deposit.
So let's take a look at here. We see this very strong dump is happening. Let's take a look at the candles behavior. The support zone is gonna play out here. There we go, the stochastic has crossed the 30 line. Let's wait a little bit. I think we opened here on this currency pair, and I think now is the best timing for the opening long position, guys. Yeah, we're playing ahead of the market, and let's analyze this. Look, we're gonna point out the two zones. The first one is here. The price broke this level down, and the second one, the touch of the support zone took place. The price should reverse and start going to the upside. We see a very dynamic price movement in this zone, both the strong pump and the strong dump right after. But the uptrend prevails now. The updating of the local low did happen, and the price should start going to the upside now. And we don't take this stochastic seriously now because we're playing ahead of the market. On 1 minute time frame, it is not gonna show us anything, and on the last seconds, I'm expecting to see the breakout. Yep, exactly as predicted, the breakout is happening, and the position should be close it in profits. Our position has been closed with the profit, guys. We got $2,870 on our balance now. We played out ahead of the market. That dodge pattern has formed here. The support zone played out, and the price broke this level down, and probably the price is gonna go lower or go to the upside following the trend direction. Yeah, but because of the opening on the 1 minute time frame, we actually succeed here, and the position was closed in profits. And that's why I like trading on the 1 minute time frame, and this strategy helps me a lot, guys. So I recommend to try it out yourself. Yeah, and let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's take the check out the other currency pairs. So the inner channel price movement is happening here, but actually I have no idea where the trend is gonna go by now. And now the flat prevails, so I don't wanna open here. Look at this strong upward dynamics. So here we could play out the pullback. Let's open a short position here. I will explain the principles to you. We earned the achievement, guys. So look, the price broke out of the inner channel. First of all, we should look at this low volatility of the candle. We understand the dynamics of the price direction. Breakout did happen here. There's a resistance zone played out here, and I'm sure the price is gonna reverse and start moving to the downside. Don't you see? So let's point out this zone, then this zone higher, and now in theory this zone a little more higher, and the price should go to downside. The stochastic also touched the level 70, and we see the reversal. There is not more strong movement here, and that's why we open our short position. And like you see, the price started going down. Nice trade entry level, and there's literally seconds left before the closing, and our position is in profits, guys. We got $3,000 on our balance. We got $1,400 in profits. I think this is a great outcome. That's exactly what I tried to reach today. Nice trading session on the weekend, guys. You see, it took us several minute time to make $1,400 on OTC, guys. As you see, my strategy in combination with my technical analysis works out perfectly. And guys, I want to say about my Telegram channel, don't forget, subscribe onto my Telegram channel. If you want to make money, just put link on the description. If you have any questions, just write me on the DM in the Telegram. And don't forget about my VIP channel, guys. And let's withdraw our money, guys. I think I will withdraw $3,000 to my BTC wallet. Put down 3,000 here, Bitcoin address, and press the continue button. So that's it. Our transaction is being processed. There is $100 left on the balance. I think I can multiply this next time, and I will attach the screen with the positive transaction as always. And guys, so thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on my Telegram channel, YouTube channel, like this video, write the comment, and thank you for watching, guys, and bye bye.